Welcome to Solvio, your ultimate solution to quality education. We are more than just a platform. We are a thriving community dedicated to shaping the future of learning. Join us on this exciting journey where we provide not just education but solutions to your graduation. Enjoy live classes tailored to your schedule. Clear doubts with subject experts. Our renowned faculty doesn't just teach, they make learning easy and fun. With assignments and quizzes, concepts will be at your fingertips. And the best part, our subscription fee is pocket friendly.
At Solvio, our mission is to revolutionize education. We aim to empower students globally by providing them quality education at very affordable prices. We are not just building an e-learning platform, but we are cultivating an environment which nurtures innovation and ensures success. Solvio to us is more than a brand. It's a commitment to empower the lives of our students positively. So come, join us at Solvio, where education meets excellence and we provide solutions to your successful graduation.
Visit our website and subscribe easily at solvio.co.in. Follow us on Instagram for updates about new batches at Solvio Edu Solutions.